2025 just dropped some of the most unbelievable gadgets we've ever seen. Stuff that looks like it was stolen straight from the future. From AI glasses to transforming tools, these inventions will change the way you live, travel, and even play. All gadget links are waiting for you in the comments. Meta Ray-Ban Display AI Glasses. Meta Ray-Ban Display AI glasses are not just an upgrade, they're a reality glitch. These glasses blast a full floating display into your view and pair with a neural wristband so you can control everything with invisible gesture commands. The 12-megapixel cameras now shoot 3K Ultra HD, the 5 microphones capture crisp audio, and fitness tracking plus Meta AI make them feel like a wearable superpower. Oakley and Ray-Ban variants even boost battery, wind protection, and FOV for next-level recording. Piaggio G1T4-M1N1. Piaggio G1T4-M1N1 looks like a Star Wars droid that accidentally escaped into the real world. This rolling robot follows you using cameras and sensors, carrying up to 20 pounds like a loyal metal sidekick. It beeps, boops, and trails behind you when it works. At nearly $3,000, it's shocking how clumsy it can be, but its futuristic design and droid-like personality make it impossible not to stare. TCL PlayCube Projector. TCL PlayCube Projector is the kind of gadget that makes you question reality. It looks like a cute Rubik's Cube, until it transforms into a full cinematic beast, projecting a massive 150-inch screen anywhere you point it. With built-in Google TV, autofocus, and auto keystone, it fixes the image instantly like tech sorcery. Its twistable design plus 3-hour battery turns any wall into a theater, even though it's shockingly tiny. Hautlence Retrovision 85. Hautlence Retrovision 85 is the kind of watch that makes people freeze and say, "Wait, it transforms?" This insane Swiss-made timepiece flips from a luxury wristwatch into a tiny Optimus Prime-inspired robot right on your arm. With only 8 units being produced, it's basically wearable art fused with childhood nostalgia. It's rare, mechanical, wildly over-engineered, and shocks everyone who sees it morph in real time. Laifen P3 Pro. Laifen P3 Pro is the kind of shaver that makes every other travel gadget look ancient. Machined from a single block of aluminum, it feels like a mini powerhouse in your hand. Tiny, heavy, and shockingly strong. Its high-speed motor delivers an insanely smooth shave, wet or dry, and the travel lock mode keeps it from buzzing to life in your bag. It's so compact you'll forget it's there, until it performs like a full-size machine. HOZO M-Cube 02. HOZO M-Cube 02 is every DIY lover's dream turned into a cheat code. This thing doesn't just level your projects, it locks itself onto almost any surface using a powerful electronic vacuum, like sci-fi tech gripping the wall. Its ultra-bright green lasers stay accurate within a degree, and the app lets you measure, align, and plan everything from across the room. It transforms solo wall mounting into shockingly effortless perfection. DJI Mini 5 Pro. DJI Mini 5 Pro is the drone that breaks every rule of portability. It weighs under 250 grams, yet packs a massive 1-inch sensor, something never seen before in a drone this tiny. The video quality is unreal, sharp, cinematic, and clean even in low light. It shoots native vertical video, dodges obstacles with improved sensors, and its rotating gimbal gives you impossible angles. It's basically a flying camera beast disguised as a toy. LARQ PureVis 2 bottle. LARQ PureVis 2 isn't just a water bottle. It's a full-on personal purification system that feels like something smuggled out of a futuristic lab. Its nanofiltration wipes out pharmaceuticals, pesticides, metals, and disgusting contaminants you don't even want to imagine. Then the UVC blasts nukes bacteria with a single button and automatically reactivates every 2 hours. Plus, it tracks every sip in the app and reminds you to drink, turning hydration into shockingly smart tech. ACEBEAM Keylite. ACEBEAM Keylite 500 looks like a tiny keychain gadget until you press the button and it unleashes a shockingly bright dual LED beam powerful enough to cut through complete darkness. It's barely bigger than an AirPod, fully USB-C rechargeable, and tough enough to handle rain like nothing. The only surprise? The included keychain is so weak that users end up upgrading it because this mini flashlight is way too powerful to lose. GIGA Pump Air. GIGA Pump Air is so tiny it looks like a toy until it unleashes a shockingly powerful airflow that can inflate gear in seconds. Weighing just an ounce, it runs off any USB power bank or even your phone, and it doubles as a deflator so you're not wrestling with half-flat sleeping pads. Users are stunned by how much force this micro pump delivers, and some even use it as a mini fan to keep mosquitoes away. HKC Xplorer Toy Hauler. HKC Xplorer. Toy Hauler is an off-road monster disguised as a camper. This beast hauls multiple dirt bikes or a quad, packs a queen-size pop-up tent, and even includes a powered winch for serious adventure setups. The battery-powered cooktop means you can fuel up anywhere, anytime. But the real shock? All this rugged, overbuilt engineering comes with a price tag that hits hard, especially once you add shipping from Australia. KeySmart SmartLock. KeySmart SmartLock is the travel hack every frequent flyer secretly wishes existed. This smart padlock works like an AirTag fused with a TSA-approved lock, so you can track your luggage in real time while keeping it sealed from prying hands. Set your combo, hit the button, sync it with the Find My app, and boom, your bag becomes unlosable. And at just $30, the shock is how insanely cheap this peace of mind is. Jakemy JM-Y10. Jakemy JM-Y10 is the tool that feels like cheating at crafting. Plug it in, hit the mode, and this ultrasonic cutter slices through plastic, foam, and model parts like a hot knife through butter, leaving almost zero marks behind. Switch to auto mode and it cuts continuously with shocking smoothness, while the built-in LED lights up your workspace. The polishing heads then buff everything flawless. It turns messy trimming into sci-fi precision. PACKFIRE. PACKFIRE is the campfire that makes every other fire pit look ancient. This full-size 17 by 23-inch beast folds down into a backpack. Yes, an entire fire pit you can carry like nothing. Snap open the quick-draw legs, unfold the panels, and you've got a roaring flame in minutes. Its airflow system blasts the fire so cleanly that you can sit anywhere without getting smoked out. It's shockingly portable, powerful, and adventure-ready. SOVOL SV08. SOVOL SV08 is the 3D printer that makes every big build machine look outdated. This monster can print objects up to 3 times larger than typical units, from full-size helmets to actual chairs. Its thick aluminum heat bed, sound insulation, built-in camera, and multiple connectivity options make it feel shockingly premium for its price. It's open source, fast, and insanely capable, though its raw power comes with a learning curve. Titanium Modular Vise. Titanium Modular Vise looks small until you realize it's built from titanium and grips like a mechanical monster. This compact 4-inch vise locks onto almost any weird-shaped object thanks to its interlocking jaws, turning delicate model work into rock-solid precision. It's so tough it's practically indestructible, yet designed for ultrafine crafting. The only catch? It's a limited Kickstarter run, so getting one feels like winning a golden ticket. Solo Stove Solo Windchill 47. Cooler Solo Stove Solo Windchill 47. Cooler looks like a luxury cooler until you realize it's actually a personal air conditioning station. This wild machine chills your drinks, blasts cold air, and even mists you on scorching days, all powered by a swappable battery or wall outlet. It has USB ports for charging your devices too. But the real shock? At $700, many users say it struggles as both a cooler and an AC, making it one of the most controversial gadgets of 2025. LiberNovo Omni. LiberNovo Omni doesn't feel like a regular gadget. It feels like a pocket-sized sci-fi survival kit. With modular attachments, this thing can become a power bank, a flashlight, a compact toolkit, or a tiny heater, depending on what you snap on. It's shockingly versatile. One moment it's charging your phone, the next it's lighting up a dark room or tightening a loose screw. For anyone into minimalistic prep or travel, it turns "I forgot something" into "I got everything." Dango M4 Maverick Rail Wallet. Dango M4. Maverick Rail Wallet is not your normal wallet. It's a tactical power move. Forged from aerospace-grade aluminum and CNC machined to exacting specs, this wallet doubles as a stealthy pocket tool. Its rail mount design feels like something a secret agent or commando would carry. It's shockingly slim for everything it holds and rugged enough to last decades, turning everyday cash and cards into gear. Airmaan Z Lounger. Airmaan Z Lounger feels like sitting in the cockpit of a luxury spaceship, not a chair. It morphs from compact travel seat into a full-blown recliner with memory foam comfort, adjustable angles, and built-in lumbar support that hugs you like a second skin. When you sink in, its jaws drop quiet, almost cocoon-level cozy. Its full flat form and sleek design make it feel shockingly more like futuristic furniture than anything you've ever lounged on. Govee Prism LED light bar. Imagine a light strip so smart it doesn't just illuminate, it reacts. This Prism unit floods your room with cinematic, high-def light and syncs with music or on-screen action. Bass thumps or movie scenes trigger colors and pulses like a living, breathing backlight. It's not just ambient light, it transforms your space into a mood-driven RGB experience that's shockingly immersive. And there you have it, the wildest, smartest, and most unbelievable gadgets powering 2025. Which one shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the comments for all gadget links.